Hello students, myself Mrs. Amrita Singh and I am going to teach you English Reader. Chapter 4, The Fox and the Crow. Okay, so all of you take out your book, page number 20. Your chapter name is The Fox and the Crow. This is one of the interesting story. In this story, we see the two main characters, the fox and the crow. Both they are talking to each other. So first we read the chapter and after that we explain about it. Okay? A fox once saw a crow flying off with a piece of cheese in its beak. She settled on the branch of a tree. "That's for me, as I am a fox," thought the fox, and he walked up to the foot of the tree. "Good day, Miss Crow," he cried. "How well you are looking today! How glossy your feathers are! How bright your eyes are! I feel sure your voice must surpass that of other birds, just as your figure does. Let me hear but one song from you, so that I may greet you as the queen of birds." The crow felt very fluttered. She lifted up her head and began to caw her best. But the moment she opened her mouth, the piece of cheese fell upon the ground, only to be snapped up by the clever fox. "That will do," said he. "That was all I wanted. In exchange for your cheese, I will give you a piece of advice for the future. Do not trust flutters." Now we explain. Look at this picture. In this picture we see the fox and the crow, and fox wanted to get the piece of cheese and crow sat on the branch of a tree. So one day a fox saw a crow flying with a piece of cheese in its beak. Seeing this, he thought, "That cheese is for me, because I am a fox." He thought, "That cheese is for me," said the fox, and started following the crow. The crow sat on the branch of a tree and was about to eat the cheese. Then fox reached there and shouted from the below. So look at this picture. The crow sat on the branch of a tree and its beak has a piece of cheese. And there is fox. She wanted to get a piece of cheese. So she shouted from the below. What he shouted? She said, "Good day, Miss Crow." And then he pressed to the crow. "Today you are looking so beautiful, and how shiny your feathers are, and your eyes is so bright." Then the fox said, "Please let me hear your voice. I am sure your voice is better than others' birds. Then I will declare you are the queen of birds." The crow was truly delighted by the compliments, and the foolish crow even thought that her voice was beautiful. Then the crow lifted her head and began to caw her best. Caw means sound of crow. But the moment she opened her mouth, the cheese fell down and it was snapped up by the fox. The fox said, I will give you a piece of advice for the future. Do not trust flutters. Then the crow realized his mistake, and the fox then walked away happily. So, students, moral of the story, you should never trust flutters. You should never trust flutters. Thank you.